Good morning, everybody. My name is James Cagle, and this afternoon we are going to create a video using the packet tracer software provided us by the Cisco Net Academy. Today we're going to be backing up a Cisco router configuration to a TFTP server. And this one, the local server is set up as a TFTP server. Okay, so first thing we always do to go into here, we go into desktop, terminal, enter. We log in, you put in the password, we come here, we try to enable it. It says, wait a second, I don't know you yet, put in another password. There we go, we're in. And from here we're going to configure the terminal, so we put in conft, okay. Actually, I went too far. Go ahead and from the customer router, what we're going to do is we're going to put in a command, copy, config, wow, today's not my best day. I didn't even type it all in. Copy, running config, okay. We're going to copy it from the running config to the startup config. Okay. Man. There we go. Okay, so we're getting there. Hang with me, fellas. Okay. Alright, so what we're doing from here, so we've copied it from the running config to the startup config. Now we need it to, from the startup config to the TFTP. Okay, so copy, startup, config, alright, TFTP, address of remote host, okay. Now we got to give it where it's going. Remember we were saying, where did we say in the beginning we were going to put it to? Alright. Alright, right here. This is the address. Alright. Right here. This is the IP. This is the IP address. Okay. The last one. Whatever. I just told you the wrong one. This is where it's going. Right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and get out of there. And we'll pull the terminal back up. So it's 192.168.1.10. If I remember right. Okay. Let's see. Enter. Okay. So 971 bytes were copied, so we copied it. We copied the running config to the startup and the startup to the TFTP. Alright. So from here what we're gonna do, we're gonna exit out of here. Alright, we're gonna go here and we're gonna view it, okay? So where do you view it from? So we're in the server, right? You got physical, desktop, software and services. Okay, here, right? Look at all these: HTTP, DHCP, TFTP, DNS. So TFTP. All right, this is everything we copied right here, man. Alright, and the service is on. Okay. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to here, terminal. Alright, customer router. Well, we're going to erase the startup config. Alright. So basically, what you're saying is you're erasing the NV RAM, the non-volatile RAM, random access memory, file system will remove all configuration files. Do you want to continue? Yep. Alright, there we go. Now we're back to there. Now we're going to reload the customer router. So basically, what we're going to do is we're telling it to reload. Okay. Do we want to proceed with reload? Yeah, man, that's what we're telling you to do. So it's putting it all back on there, right? As soon as it's done. Okay. Here, you basically, you want to say no. Okay, there we go. So we're back in, man. Here we're gonna enable it. Okay, we're gonna get back into the global configuration. We're gonna configure the terminal. All right. Now we're gonna type in some commands. We're gonna do the interface. Okay. All right. All right. Again, you know, that's the fast Ethernet interface. Right there. We're going to give it an IP address of 192.168.1.1. We're going to give it a subnet. Okay. We're going to do a no shutdown. No shut, which just means we're basically, no shut, not so shut. There we go. No show. Shit. Hang on. No shot. Okay, we turned it on. Administratively turned it on. After 5 different mistakes. But that's what makes it so fun. You know? We're learning. Okay, so we're here. Alright. We're going to go interface. S. Okay, serial interface 000. See if I like that. Yeah, we're going to do no shut on it as well. Alright, we turned it on again. Alright. Now let's go over here and watch for the lights. Alright, everything's turned back on, man. We're all green. We're doing good. Okay, so basically now we're going to ping something. Alright, we're going to ping the TFTP server. .1.10, wasn't it? I can't remember if we can do it from here or not. Okay, so we had to get back out into the privilege exec mode. All right, you can't do it from the global, obviously. Okay, so we got an 80% success rate. All right, we sent 5 and we received, or yeah, 4 out of 5. Sent 5, received 4. All right, not too bad. So now basically what we're going to do is we're going to copy the startup configuration that's stored in the TFTP server. Alright, we're going to send it back into the running configuration in the customer router. Alright, so from here we're going to go copy TFTP Alright, now we got to give it the address of where it is. Alright, and then the source file name, we're calling it the customer router running config, customer router config. Okay. Okay, there we go. Alright, so it copied from the TFTP server back into the router. Okay, so now we're going to copy the restored running configuration back to the non-volatile RAM. Okay. We go copy. Okay, we go copy. We had to enable it again. Now we're copying the config. Where are we going to send it to? The startup config. Okay. Okay. Now we're back into here. Yep. Then let it build the configuration. That was fast. Okay. Now from here, we're going to ping 209.165.201.10. Look at that. Success rate 100%. 5 if we sent 5, received 5. And the round trip, man, it only took like 5 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds, and 12 milliseconds. That's cooking. Alright. And there we go, man. Alright. And that is how you back up a Cisco router. You know, we backed up everything from the router to the TFTP server, and then we erased everything on the router. Then we went back to the server, and we sent it back to the router. And then within the router, we took it and we sent it to the NVRAM, which keeps it always. That way, when you start your router back up, it has the information to get going again. That was a fun exercise. I enjoyed it. I hope you did as well. You guys have a great day. This is James Cagle. Bye.